You're welcome to our class today, friends. Let us solve this question of equilibrium of bodies in liquid solution. A piece of iron weighs 0.5 Newton in air. Weight in air is 0.5 Newton. 0.2 Newton in water. Weight in water is 0.2 Newton. And 0.3 Newton when immersed in kerosene. Weight in kerosene is 0.3 Newton. What is the density of kerosene? Okay, density, of course, we know is mass over volume, but there's nothing about mass and volume here, so we're going to solve it as well using the relative density, because we know that relative density of a substance, a liquid, equal to density of that liquid divided by density of water. So if we know the density of water and then the relative density, we can now get the density of the liquid. So first of all, we know that relative density is equal to upthrust in liquid over upthrust in water. This is gotten from the Archimedes principle that states that if a body is partially or totally immersed in a fluid, it experiences an upthrust that is equal to the weight of the fluid displaced. That if you put something in a fluid, for instance a stone or an object in a fluid, it will displace some volume of water. That volume of water that is going to displace, that it is going to replace, is going to have a weight that is equal to the weight that the object that is immersed in the fluid is going to lose. So with that, we got this. The relative density is equal to upthrust in liquid is the weight lost in liquid by an object. So they said if you immerse an object in air, it is 0.5, in kerosene is 0.3. So upthrust in liquid is 0.5 minus 0.3. While upthrust in water is 0.5 minus 0.2. That will give you 0.2 over 0.3. And 0.2 over 0.3 is 0.67. There is no unit. Relative density has no unit. It is dimensionless. So, and we also know that relative density is density of liquid over density of water. I know that density of water is 1000 kilogram per meter cube. So using that, and relative density is 0.67. So say 0.67 is equal to density of liquid over density of water, which is 1000 kilogram per meter cube. And when you cross multiply 0.67 times 1000, density of kerosene, which is the liquid, will equal to 0.67 times 1000 is 670 kilogram per meter cube. That is how we're able to get that. See you in the next class.